Hi friends, welcome back to Student Science Technology. I am Pavan. In our today's video, we are going to be learning about Python. We are going to be working on the IDE, PyCharm IDE. So, this is going to be a series where we learn basics of Python along with an amazing project, JARVIS. I hope many of you have seen Marvel Avengers movies, right? Iron Man, JARVIS. Yes, we are going to make it in Python. So let's get started. Right. So first we are going to import the libraries which are needed for this project. Import pytt sx3 and then import speech recognition as SR. Now this pytt sx3 and the speech recognition module must be downloaded in the terminal, the Python. So first you have to write pip install pytt sx3. You can see requirement already satisfied. I have already downloaded it. Yours will be downloaded. Then the same thing for this speech recognition. Install speech recognition. Requirement already satisfied, same as before. And one more thing, you have to install another package which you have to first download the WHL extended file from a website. I'll send you a link in my description. Open it and according to your Python version and your bit of your system, you have to download the file and then type pip install pip-win and then pip-win install PyAudio and enter. I've already done it, so I'm not repeating it. You have to do it again. And then we are going to set the engine to start the pytt sx3 or the audio library of Python. So engine equal to pytt sx3 dot initiate or start. Then as you know, it's a voice or sound library, right? So voices or the different voices set in the library should be selected, right? So first we are going to define a variable with a command voices equal to engine dot get property voices. Then engine dot set property as voice comma voices, and here you have to choose the voice you need for your system or this Java or your project. And this library pytt sx3 library by default contains 3 voices: Zira, David and one more. So I am gonna use 2 over here. You can add different voices. I am gonna show you the process of it in my upcoming videos. Right. And one more thing, the variable you have used here, voices, should not be repeated here. It should be another different itself. Voice and voices, it's different. Else if it is voices, only and only David or male voice will be used in this project. You cannot change the voice. And then we are going to set the speed of the voice, or how fast the voice will be run or it will talk. Voice speed, a variable with 140. Then engine dot set property rate comma voice speed, and then this sentence over here, it will set the voice to 140. Actually you have to keep the voice settings below 200. Actually you can change it by your wish, but if you go above 200 it's going to be too fast, and if you go below 100 it's going to be too slow. You can check it if you want, but the best number is 140, so I have kept it. Then there should be a speak function. I am going to define a speak function. def speak. This is the name I give for my function over here, audio. And then engine dot say audio. Now engine dot run and wait and done. This is basically a function for the PITT SX3 library. To start by saying the audio, we give the command and wait till you can receive the whole command and then respond. And now we are going to display another function, def take command. I have named this function as take command. You can make it as your wish. R equal to sr dot recognizer. This function is already set in the library, and this sr, as you can see, speech recognition as sr, so this library has set as sr. Now with sr dot microphone, it will choose the microphone or the default microphone set on your system as source, and after using it as setting it as a source, it's gonna print listening. Over here this print is just for some interactions, else in the back, if it's not there also, in the background the system is going to be listening to our commands. Then r dot pause threshold equal to 1. So it says after you receive a command, wait for 1 second until the user completes the command and then react. Then audio equal to r dot listen source. Right, then try print. Now here this part of the command, uh, the system is gonna recognize the command given by the user. Even this is for just interactions. And in the background, query. This is a variable I'm going to use everywhere for this command or system. So r dot recognize Google, then audio language. Here comes. Here you have to set the language of the response from your system. So I'm gonna set en-in, which means English India. I'm from India, so obviously it's English India. Then accept exception as E, then print E, return and return. Okay. Now I'm going to explain this. First, except.exception. This sentence is used where if this try function does not perform or work properly as expected, it's gonna print the error message as E and return as this sentence over here. You can keep anything. I just kept some hyphens over there. So if it does not recognize our command, it's gonna just print hyphens. Then it's gonna return the query or the command we gave it. Then we are going to define a loop function or while true. Now this function is used to run the code repeatedly or infinitely. Query equal to take command dot lower. Now this here the same variable we used last time, and the take command function we have defined over here is returned with a lower function as well from the library. Then print query, which means it's gonna print the command, every single command we give to the system. So now we will start the programming, main programming. If our command which we give to the system is hello, in query our variable speak hello sir. So if we give a command to the system as hello, it's gonna give us back hello sir. Now let's test it. Hello.
Hello, sir.
As you can see, it works perfectly. Right friends, so that was all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and share and subscribe our channel if you like them, and keep following us. Thank you. Have a nice day.